Hi, I'm Xiaohua Wen. I'm CEO of Tersus GNSS. The newest, latest technology from Tersus is Oscar automated version. We have the T2 composition up to 30 degrees, and the accuracy is 2 centimeters. So when you do the field work, you don't need to hold the pole vertically, and you can do all the angles like this and move around, and you don't need to look the bubbles. So it's very convenient for the field work. So we are very excited to showcase our latest function of the Oscar. And if you would like, you can come to our booth and test it. And also we have all the 4G and UHF and the OEM board from Tersus. Then also we have the Nova application. That's the field controller book from the Tersus. It's an Android platform and it's open to many applications.